Hello, dear my students. Today, in this lesson, I'm going to start a story that is Padmini the Princess. This story is written by Saroj Mukherjee. Saroj Mukherjee is a well known Indian writer. She has written many short stories for children. Padmini the Princess is a story about how an wounded elephant gets well because of Amma's efforts. This story is told by a boy. Actually, a boy is telling this story. His grandmother, Amma, lives alone near a forest. One day, she finds a wild elephant that is badly hurt. Amma wants to take care of the elephant. The boy's father finds a vet. Vet means a doctor of animal. Monoj. Monoj is a doctor of animal who agrees to help her, who agrees to help the elephant. Actually, the story begins from here. So let's get started. To my delight, father and Manoj uncle took me along to Amma's house. To my delight means the boy was very happy because his father and Manoj uncle took him along with them to Amma's house. Okay? Amma, tell me what happened to the elephant, said Manoj uncle. When they reached to Amma's house, Manoj uncle asked Amma to know about the elephant. Amma said, I think she was caught and held in ropes and chains. After that, Amma said that the elephant was caught and held in ropes and chains, while the rest of the herd escaped. In the in the forest, there are many elephants, but the rest of the elephant escaped or ran away. She was able to free herself with great difficulty. That wounded elephant was able to free herself with great difficulty, but she could not. Why? Because the wounds are giving her a lot of pain. She even cannot eat or drink properly, and that's why she is weak. That wounded elephant even cannot eat or drink properly. I take her sugarcane and a little water. Amma gives that elephant sugarcane a little water, but she is too frightened. But the elephant is afraid or very anxious to eat or drink. But as soon as the wounds heal, but as soon as the wounds become better, heal mean uh, the wounds. When the wounds become healthy again, Amma is sure she will return to the forest. Amma is sure that the elephant will return to the forest. So, dear my students, today I have discussed from here this story you will read at home and you will learn what meaning also. Thanks.